If you're searching for the best Helium 10 discount to save money on Amazon FBA and TikTok Shop tools, this video is for you. Right now there's an exclusive 24-hour flash sale active with 30% off for up to 6 months on the Helium 10 Diamond Monthly plan. I've added the official Helium 10 discount link in the description and pinned comment. Just click it. The discount is applied automatically, so no manual coupon code is needed. When you click the link, you'll see all the active deals laid out. We have the Diamond Monthly plan at 30% off and the Platinum Monthly plan at 20% off. If you prefer to save long term, the annual plans are also live, giving you the equivalent of 2 months free. That saves you up to $960 a year on the Diamond Annual Plan and $360 a year on the Platinum Annual Plan. The Diamond Plan is especially popular because it fully includes access to advanced tools like the Atomic AI PPC platform for automating your campaigns, and the new TikTok Shop suite to research trending products and affiliate creator insights. Quick note, this 24-hour flash sale starts Monday, May 25th, 2026 at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time and ends Tuesday, May 26th, 2026 at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. The link in the description automatically applies the best available discount for both monthly and annual plans. So if you want the best Helium 10 deal right now, click the link below or check the pinned comment and get started today. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more e-commerce tips and exclusive discounts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.